Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am Olabisi. I am a prep class tutor. What do we have in this video? In this video, I'll be solving questions 6 to 10 of the Loyola College Entrance Examination Quantitative Reasoning Material 4. Subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure that you like and comment on this video. Alright, so let's move on. So we have a set of samples here to study. Look at the instruction. Study the sample below carefully and use it to find the missing numbers in the questions that follow. So this means that we cannot go ahead to answer the questions until we are able to study the sample below and we are able to find out how to solve the samples. Okay, so there are three samples here. So we have two top numbers and one bottom number. So there is a relationship between these numbers, these three numbers, that is the two top numbers and the bottom number. So how can we do this? How can we do this? So to be able to answer questions in quantitative reasoning, you have to use a method called try and error method. What does this even mean? What does try and error method mean? So this is a method in which you use more than one way to find the best solution to a problem. If you try the first way, if it doesn't work, you try it again till you succeed, till you get how to solve the problem. So we need to find the relationship between the top numbers and the bottom number. So now, if you study this sample very well, you would realize that all you have to do to get the bottom number is to subtract 1 from the second top number and the first top number, then combine the answers to get the bottom number. Can you see? Okay, so always start with the second top number for this set of questions. Because if you start with the first top number, which is 14, 14 minus 1 is 13, then 2 minus 1 is 1. So 13 and 1 combined will give 131. So this is why you should start with the second top number. So the second top number here is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 14 minus 1 is 13. So when you combine 1 and 13 together, you get 113. Can you see that this is very easy? So what you have to do is to start with the second top number, subtract 1 from it, subtract 1 from the second top number, and then combine the answers to get the bottom number. That's all. Okay, so let's see if it works with the second and third sample as well, for us to be able to conclude that this is how to do it. Okay, so the second top number is 17. 17 minus 1 is 16. Then the first top number is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. Then combine the answers, that is 16 and 19. That is 1619. So you can see that it works with the second sample. So let's find out if it also works with the third sample. Okay, so the second top number here is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Then the first top number is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 and 4 combined together is 74. Yes, it works. Okay, so this means that all we have to do to get the bottom number in the questions is just to simply subtract 1 from the second top number, and then you subtract 1 from the first top number, and then you combine the answers to get the bottom number. As simple as that. Okay, so the first question, question 6. We're giving the two top numbers as 18 and 14, and then the bottom number is missing. Do you still remember how to get the bottom number? Of course, you should still remember. Okay, so all you have to do is to subtract 1 from the second top number, and then subtract 1 from the first top number as well, then combine the answers. So the second top number is 14. 14 minus 1 is 13. Then the first top number is 18. 18 minus 1 is 17. Now let's combine 13 and 17 together. We'll have 1317. So this means that the bottom number here is 1317. So which of the following options is correct? So remember that our answer is 1317. So which option is 1317? Of course, it is C. So the correct option is C, 1317. Okay, so let's move on to question 7. So here we're giving a top number, then the second top number is missing. Then we're giving the bottom number as 1013. Okay, so how do we do this? Remember, from the samples, to get the bottom number, All we have to do is to subtract 1 from the second top number, then subtract 1 from the first top number, and then combine the answers. So here, the second top number is not given, and then the bottom number is 1013. So this means that we have to split this number into two, 10 and 13. So this means that when we subtract 1 from the second top number, we should get 10, and when we subtract 1 from the first top number, we should get 13. So second top number minus 1 equals 10, then 14 minus 1 equals 13. Okay, so remember, this is what we want to find. This is the missing number. What minus 1 equals 10? Of course, it is 11. So 11 minus 1 will give 10. So this means that the missing number here is 11. Okay, so for us to be sure that our answer is correct, all we have to do is to subtract 1 from 11, subtract 1 from 14, and combine the answers. So 11 minus 1 is 10, 14 minus 1 is 13. So when you combine 10 and 13, you will get 1013. So this means that our answer is correct. So the missing number here is 11. Okay, so which of the following options is correct? Option D is the correct option. So the correct answer here is 11. Okay, so question 8. We are given the two top numbers and then the bottom number is missing. So this is very easy. All we have to do is to subtract 1 from the second top number, subtract 1 from the first top number, then combine the answers. That's all. Okay, so the second top number here is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then the first top number here is 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. So 2 and 18 combined together is 218. So the missing number is 218. Very easy, right? Okay, so which of the following options is correct? Remember, our answer is 218. So this means that option C is the correct option. Check. Question 9. So one of the top numbers is missing, then the second top number is given as 8. Then the bottom number is 715. So remember from the samples, to get the bottom number, subtract 1 from the second top number, subtract 1 from the first top number, and then combine the answers. So the second top number here is 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So look at the bottom number. We have 7 here. So this means that the second top number minus 1 should give 15. So what number minus 1 is 15? Of course, it is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. So this means that the missing top number here is 16. So now, to be sure that our answer is correct, all we have to do is to subtract 1 from 8 and subtract 1 from 16, and then if we get 715 as the answer, that means our answer is right. Okay, so 8 minus 1 is 7, then 16 minus 1 is 15. When we combine 7 and 15, we would have 715. So this means that the answer is correct. So the missing number here is 16. Now, which of the following options is correct? A is 17, wrong. B is 20, wrong. C is 19, wrong. The correct option here is 16 because the missing number is 16. Okay, so now let's move on to the last question in this video. Question 10. So one of the top numbers is missing, then the second top number is given as 12. Then the bottom number is given as 1111. So how do we do this? Remember from the samples, to get the bottom number, subtract 1 from the second top number, subtract 1 from the first top number, then combine the answers. So we're given the second top number here as 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. From the bottom number here, it means that the first top number minus 1 should also give 11. So what number minus 1 would give 11? Of course, it is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. So here, the missing number is 12. So for us to be sure that the answer is correct, subtract 1 from the second top number. So then subtract 1 from the first top number, and then combine the answers to see if you will get this bottom number. Okay, so 12 minus 1 is 11. Then the missing number here, we got it as 12. So 12 minus 1 is also 11. So 11 and 11 combined would give 1111. So you can see that we got the answer. So the missing number here is 12. Okay, so which of the following options is correct? Remember that the missing number is 12. So the correct option is C. Check. Okay, so I hope you were able to learn a lot from this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Also, you can join us on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description below. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.